In this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Google Calendar with other people. So to go and share your Google Calendar with other people, you first need to head over to the website calendar.google.com and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Now in the left-hand side, scroll down to My Calendars and then just select the calendar that you want to share. So I'm going to be sharing my main calendar, which is this blue one here. And then you can click on the three vertical dots next to your calendar and select Settings and Sharing. Now scroll down to where it says Shared With and click on Add People and Groups. Now go and type in the email address of the person that you want to share this calendar with and select the permissions type for this user. So you can set it so they can only view your calendar and not make any changes, or you can set it up so they can make changes and also add other people to your calendar. It's entirely up to you. I'm just going to click on See All Event Details and then go and press Send. And now this recipient will receive an email with an invite link to your calendar. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.